Hi, welcome back. So far, we learned how to plot our bar charts, but they were vertical. Now, in this video, we are going to learn how to plot our bar charts that are horizontal. In order to do that, first of all, like always, we are going to import necessary libraries. Then we are going to have our categories A to E, their corresponding values 10 to 25, for example. And here is my figure size. The main difference comes here. So here, what we want to do is the following. Instead of having the bar function, we are having bar h function, meaning that a bar chart that is horizontal. So bar h function, we are considering categories and values. The color is teal. This is the color that I choose. We can choose whatever we want. We are having the edge color black and the line width 1.5. Then I'm labeling the title. Like always, we are labeling the x-axis. This time the x-axis is values and the y-axis is the category. So when I run the code, we see that now on the x-axis we are having values. On the y-axis we are having categories, and we are having from A to E here. Okay. And this is the color that I choose. It's teal, so we can change it. This is the edge color, which is black, you see here. And the line width is 1.5. We can customize it, of course. And basically, the main difference in plotting the bar charts that are vertical and horizontal is the function that we use when we want to create them. So if we use bar function, it's going to have a bar chart that is vertical, and if we are having the bar h, it means that we are looking for a bar chart that is horizontal like this one. Okay, previously we were having our bar chart like this from here. Thank you for watching.